Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I did not upload some videos for quite a long time, so now I have something for you. So this is about Facebook, a trick for Facebook. Okay, some of you might wonder how people make their Facebook name invisible. So this is how you will do it. So I will get you through the steps on how you can make your Facebook name invisible. Okay, let's start. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook Lite. You log into your Facebook Lite. Okay, let's wait. It will load. Then you log into your account. Log into your account. I will type in my mobile number. My password. Then I'll log in. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, now I've logged into my account. This is the account I just created just for the purpose of this video. Okay, now that I've logged into my account, I'll go to the top right hand corner, click there, and then I'll scroll down to settings and privacy. I'll click there, then I'll click settings. Okay, from here now I will click the account center. I will have to click account center, click here, then I'll click on my profile, click again, let's wait. Okay, now I'll click on my name. Let me click on my name. Okay, I will remove these names, the first name and also the last name. Then I'll have to add this character here. Let me copy, and then I'll paste here. So you don't need to worry about these characters. I'll put the characters in the description of this video, so you check it in the description of this video, and you copy it and you do exactly the way I did. Okay, you remove this parentheses. And then you paste it here. Then now you're good to go. You click on review change. Click on review change. Then click on save changes. Okay, now your name updated successfully. So you go back to your profile. We see, boom. Now we don't have the name, our name is invisible. So this is how you do in order for you to make your name invisible on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please do give a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.